locked out of your Telegram because that darn verification code just won't arrive. Don't panic. I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get you back into your account in under 90 seconds first. Let's double check the obvious. Make absolutely certain you've entered your phone number correctly. Including the country code, even a small typo can prevent the code from being sent. Next, let's investigate your network connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or a problematic mobile data connection can disrupt the SMS delivery. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restarting your router to see if that resolves the issue. Still nothing? It's possible Telegram servers are experiencing a temporary overload. Give it a few minutes and try requesting the code again. Telegram might be experiencing a delay due to high traffic. If you've waited and still no code, try requesting the code via a call instead of SMS. Look for the option within the Telegram app itself. It usually appears after a short delay if the SMS code isn't received. And finally, consider that your phone number might be blocked from receiving SMS messages from Telegram. Contact your mobile carrier to ensure that short codes or messages from Telegram are not being blocked by them. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to receiving your Telegram verification code and regaining access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips.